as we solve this an amazing maths problem within the shortest time possible. So let's now start with the solution. So you can also try to work it out on your side so that now we can compare the answers. So we have 4 to the power of x, then plus 4 to the power of x is equals to 280. So the first thing that you need to do is to factorize it. So we have 4 to the power of x into bracket 1 plus 1 into bracket 280. So we shall work out the number inside the bracket. So 4 to the power of x into bracket 1 plus 1 is 2 is equals to 280. So the next step is now for us to divide both sides by 2, then here also by 2. So that 2 by 2 now shall cancel. So that now 4 to the power of x is equals to, so 2 here once, 2 into 280 is 140. So the next step, let's now change it into the log. So we shall now have the log of 4 to the power of x is equals to the log of 140. So assuming that we have the log of p to the power of k, this one can also be written as k, the log of p. So here now we shall now have it as x, the log of 4, is equals to the log of 140. So here now we shall divide both sides by the log of 4, then also this side by the log of 4. So that log 4 and log 4 shall cancel. So now we shall say that x is equals to the log of 140 all over the log of 4. So we want to simplify this maths problem. So in simplification, we shall now say that x is equals to, so the log of 140 can also be written as the log of 10 multiplied by 14. Then shall put it into bracket, then all over the log of 4. So when you have, for example, the log of a multiplied by b, this one can be written as the log of a, then plus the log of b. So here now we shall now say that the value for x is equals to, so we shall now have the log of 10, then plus the log of 14 all over the log of 4. So here now we shall say that the value for x is equals to, so log 10 can be written as the log of 5 multiplied by 2, then into bracket, so plus the log of 14 can be written as the log of 7 multiplied by 2, then we shall put into bracket, then all of this all over the log of 4. So here now x is equals to, so here now we shall have the log of 5, then plus the log of 2, then plus, so we shall now have log 7 plus the log of 2, then all of this all over the log of 4. So now we shall divide both sides by the log of 4, so that the value for x is equals to, so here now we shall have log 5 all over the log of 4, then plus the log of 2 all over the log of 4, then plus, so we shall also have log 7 all over the log of 4, then plus log 2 all over the log of 4. So we shall say that the value for x is equals to, so the log of 5, then all over, so log 4 can be written as the log of 2 to the power of 2, then plus, here we shall also have log 2 all over the log of 2 to the power of 2, then plus log 7 all over the log of 2 to the power of 2, then plus log 2 all over the log of 2 to the power of 2. So next now we shall say that x is equals to, so here now we shall have log 5 all over, so in this case now we shall have it as 2, the log of 2, then plus, so we shall also have log 2 all over 2, the log of 2, plus, so log 7 all over 2, the log of 2, then plus log 2 all over 2, the log of 2. So when here we shall say that x now shall be equals to, so in this case now we shall have the log of, or we shall say that we shall have 1 over 2, the log of 5, then all over the log of 2, then plus, so log 2 and log 2 shall cancel, so we shall now have it as a half, then plus, here now we shall have 1 over 2, then in this case now we shall have it as the log of 7 all over the log of 2, then plus, so log 2 and log 2 shall cancel, we shall now have it as 1 over 2. So assuming that we have the log of A all over the log of B, so this one can be written as the log of A to the base of B. So here now we shall agree and say that the value for x is equals to, so in this case now we shall have it as 1 over 2 the log of 5 to the base of 2, then plus, so here now we shall have it as a half plus a half, that is equals to 1. So we shall now have it plus, so a half the log of 7 to the base of 2, then plus 1. So these are now shall qualifies to be our correct and the most appropriate maths problem. So if you really loved how we worked out this maths problem up to this far, don't forget to subscribe to this channel.